These are the prompts we'll be using. Click the link in the description to get the full Suno guide for free. Copy and paste the song structure into the lyric box. And then put in the song formula. This goes in the style box. And let's just put A so that we know this was the first one we did. Hit create. Sometimes Suno randomly puts in nonsense lyrics. If that happens, give it a thumbs down to tell Suno you're not happy with that result. Repeat as often as you need to until you have your instrumental. So let's get closer to our vision. In the lyric box, change catchy and bright instrumentation to subtle but catchy instrumentation. And then the next step is to change strummed acoustic guitar to mellow finger-picked guitar. Now we're going to delete subtle snaps or claps. And instead of smooth high-end polish, we're going to say warm and relaxing. All right, and those will pop back up. This is a great time to talk to you about exclusions. Put finger snaps and claps and guitar hits in the exclusion box and hit create. Those snaps are being really difficult to get rid of. So I'm setting the weirdness slider down and I'm bringing style influence up just a bit and hitting create. Now we can see which gets rid of the snaps. So these are pre-slider and these with the slider. The slider changes worked great. Let's get on to the next step. I like the sound of the last track. It had some slide guitar and a little brush train going on. So let's turn that into a country pop track. Click here on Remix Edit and go to Cover. If you're prompted, click Overwrite. That takes the information from this song and puts it into these boxes. Now we need to change this information. Let's paste that in. And this is now C. These are only minute-long instrumentals, so in the very next section, I'll show you how to turn them into finished songs with lyrics and vocals. Here's a few seconds of the track. How does that turn into a song? Your job now is to start adding the lyrics to it. In each section, like the verse, the chorus, the pre-chorus, the bridge, write your lyrics in. Copy and paste sections, add more lyrics until the song is the way you want it. Suno usually defaults to a male voice on a country song. So let me just quickly show you that you can change the voice by clicking female under more options.
In my eyes. Hey, hey, it's a beautiful day.
And I might as well make one while we're at it.
Hey, it's a beautiful day. Singing out loud as the worries.
Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your being here. Check out my other videos on Suno prompts, meta tags, vocal instruction, and I'll see you in the next video.